We, the Kuki-Zo community, will be presenting our culture by performing a traditional dance, universally known as the bamboo dance. We all know everything that has been preserved for ages has its origin and background. So I would like to highlight briefly the origin of our dance. So this bamboo dance, originally known as Suhtah in Thadou-Kuki language and Cherow in the Mizo language, is one of the oldest traditional dances of the Kuki-Mizo and Chin community, preserved for generations. In this dance, the performers create a rhythmic pattern by striking bamboo sticks together. The dancers represent 4 tribes from the Kuki-Zo community. They are Thadou-Kuki, Hmar, Paite, and Mizo. Originally, this was not a dance, but a performance by our forefathers before they went to war during the era of headhunting. The performance was used to select the healthy and strong individuals who would go to war. They usually perform at night under the moonlight. This was done by a group of men jumping over a wooden pestle while it was being pounded. Those who could jump over it were selected to go to war. Later, this performance evolved into a dance using bamboo in place of wooden pestle. It is characterized by colorful traditional attire and vibrant footwork, and it's often performed during festivals and celebration. And now may I invite the cultural troops to come.
Khan sille chenin agam le nam asem choi se le lamin nen di tenin isem bi choi na lam dil delin silung kito in cho min hingin o ka khan gol ki pa na khong din ammi zalaya kitang din chỉ kim in a bo me du le va nam kim zong ta nga si quy đắp xin dê min lo bil bil ui hi nem hiu anung nghe mô le lang dâu xia anom pe me cu ki te ting lang cam hoi ai tô li lên na dừng lệ dù lai dồn gây tranh nhìn dòng dây là nói chim đầu thì bằng khen na ông lâu rằng vì